Alright, so monomials, very basic. Basically, when we are dealing with monomials, uh, we always, if let's say it's multiplication, we multiply and we use S and L check to basically multiply. S means sign, N means number, and L means letter. Okay, so when we are multiplying, we actually use this. So we have something called, when we are multiplying, all right, we exercise something called the distributive law. That's if there's more than one term inside the bracket. So for instance, we have -2, which is a monomial, one term, and then inside this bracket, the bracket itself is a monomial, but inside the bracket we have two terms. So that means this one term outside the bracket needs to be distributed using the S and L check. So when we are distributing, brackets mean multiply. So -2 we multiply with P. But when we do that, we check sign first and foremost. The signs, positive and negative. We multiply the negative sign with the positive sign. And the negative times the positive, we know gives us a what? A negative. Then after that, we move on to the number. We multiply the number 2. We have a coefficient here that is 1, which you don't see, the unseen one. 2 times 1 gives us a positive, gives us a 2. Then we move on to the letter. The P variable is the only one that's there, so we just write P combined with the -2. That's done. Then we take the -2 and we distribute it to the negative T. So we do the same thing. We check the sign. What's a negative times a negative? That gives us a positive. Then we can move on to the number. 2 times the coefficient of T is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Then T is basically combined with the T. Then that's how the bracket has been removed. We look at these two and we see that these are unlike terms. So that means we cannot add unlike terms. So we leave the answer as -2b plus 2t.